Welcome to the future of kitchen convenience. Meet the Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo, your all-in-one solution for blending, chopping, shredding, and more. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast whipping up nutrient-packed smoothies or a home chef crafting spreads and salsas, this powerhouse has got your back. Here's why this 1600 peak watt blender will be your new kitchen MVP. Glowing star never stall again. Powered by smartTORQUE, it handles everything from frozen fruits to tough nuts with ease. Bowl with Spoon XL Smoothie Bowl Maker, craving thick, creamy smoothie bowls? This blender does it effortlessly. Cyclone Nutrient Extraction Cup, unlock the vitamins and nutrients from your fruits and veggies for the smoothest, healthiest drinks. Kitchen Knife Enhanced Food Processing, shred, slice, and grate like a pro with its precision-designed lid and discs. High voltage 7 preset programs, smoothies, spreads, chopping, or food processing, just one touch does it all. Control knobs variable speed control, customize texture and consistency with ease. The 72 ounces glass pitcher and to-go cups make it perfect for busy mornings or entertaining friends. Clean up? No worries, it's dishwasher safe. Ready to take your kitchen skills to the next level? Hit buy now and transform the way you cook, blend, and create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you're as obsessed with this ninja as we are. Cup with straw strawberry.